In this video, I'm going to show you how you can archive all of your emails in Gmail at once. Log into your Gmail account, open Gmail in your browser and sign in with your login credentials. Go to your inbox or folder, navigate to inbox or the folder that contains the emails you want to archive. Select all emails on your page. Click the checkbox in the top left corner, then select 50 emails shown to your current page. Choose select all conversations. Click the message at the top that says select all conversations in the folder. Highlight every email and not just the first 50. Click the archive button. Press the archive button, which is a box with a downward arrow on it, at the top menu bar to move all your selected emails out of the inbox and into archive. Verify the emails that are archived. Check all mail folder to confirm that your emails are stored safely without being deleted. Now you know how to archive all your emails in Gmail at one time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.